PS4 software sales have spiked during the pandemic. Now, we knew gaming was doing well, but the question was how well and where. And I had a feeling that the console business was revitalized by this lockdown because, you know, once you got a little more time, you sit on the couch, and the PC gamer is the more intense gamer. Like the world situation isn't going to impact to the same degree, whereas the console is a little more casual, which means now that the new time opened up, oh yeah, let's crack open that console, let's download another game, whatever. I mean, this is just me speaking, speculative nature, as exists here on this show from time to time. But you scroll down here and you see people have spent 83% more year on year for digital software sales on the PlayStation. Did you hear that? 83% more. And that brings it up to $3.72 billion in the PlayStation Store. Now, important to note, Will, people to get addicted to, what is it, those free-to-play battle royale types, the Fortnite types, the Warzone types. And they're in there. What are they doing? They're getting the skins and they're buying things. And they're addicted, and they spent $3.72 billion. No, of course people have bought games. In fact, Sony says a big part of this, The Last of Us Part 2. Look at that. Look at you, Will. Puts a smile on your face. You played the game. You're a big fan. You were conflicted. You played the game. You loved it.
It was great. So
you can understand people spending money on that. They also say that new game, Ghost of Tsushima, which I haven't played. You haven't played. But a lot of people are talking about it.
Yeah, I heard good things.
So that game is apparently also a strong performer, but it came out too recently to be included in these numbers. So we're going to see potentially even better numbers in the next one, in the next quarter, because Sony says, hey, that one's doing better than we expected too on the digital side. Now, important to note, even though the digital sales go up, the hardware sales in packaged games go down, 22% down. Which is to be expected, especially in a time like this. Although you bought a physical disc recently.
Yeah, I would like to.
So you braved
the hardware.
You braved the hardware sale. You braved it out there.
Yeah, but I can see how no one's going out to buy things. You know, it makes sense.
Yeah, you can understand. But if you got a slow connection, you could order the hardware title on Amazon. It comes to the door.
Oh yeah,
that's fine too.
Do that too.
If you really like to have the physical game. That said, as far as buying a new console, it seems everything is PS5 now. So you go buy a new console, that'd be a bit strange. So I understand why those numbers would be down. Everyone's waiting for that next one. And then the other thing that is stand out to me is if you're spending all this money on digital software for the PlayStation 4, aren't you a bit concerned that this new one's coming out that you'll probably get, and then you're going to have all this old software that you just bought in the lockdown? I don't know. I'm just talking, hey, look, if you get the entertainment out of it, who cares? Like, you played Last of Us. You spent $60. $60 US would be the price. Did you get $60 worth of entertainment value out of it?
Yeah, I would say so.
You did?
Yeah. There's replay value and everything.
So it's fine. So you don't need to be worried that it's only on the PS4. And even if you do pick up a PS5, you still feel like you got a good deal. So anyways, PlayStation at home is doing well. 83% improvement on those software sales. They're in it to win it.